hit that like and subscribe button.
Got a call this morning that we had a tree fall on the house. So let's just see. Oh man. It's not good. Oof. Let's see if we can zoom in there. Wow. So I got a call this morning about a tree that had fallen at one of our rental properties, the first property that we got at Triplex. And I'm here at it now, just kind of giving it a look around. All right, well, let's go to the insurance office and see what we can find out. January 3rd. What's up?
How are you?
Yeah, that one. So the reason this has a new roof is because this thing right here fell.
Oh man, that's a new roof too?
Yeah. It's like 2 or 3 years old.
I don't know. About all you can do is pull up fast. So we'll probably have to take a limb out of here to be able to bring everything down here, and one limb out of this tree here just for the access for the boom.
Okay.
And then we'll just work it down, and I'll cut some with the grapple saw, and that's Brian. He's a climber. He'll be up in the tree.
All right. Alright, well hopefully you can hear me over all the noise, but today is a day that most real estate investors dread. So I got a call at 7:30 this morning saying that one of the trees at one of our properties had fallen and crushed the roof. So of course I'm gonna drive as quick as I can up here, and what I found is that in fact a huge, I don't know, probably 60, 70-year-old pine tree had fallen on the corner of the property, which I'm guessing you can see behind me. So I call a guy who had come to a couple of our real estate investor meetups that works for a tree service. He's here on the property within an hour. So they were able to get a crew scrambled and sent over here, and they've been here pretty much all day. They're not quite done. They're probably 3/4 of the way done. They've got the huge trunk to take care of, but it's been one of those days. Not only have I met with these guys and been over here filming and recording and get a pulse of the situation, but I've also been at the apartments. We had concrete guys come and give me quotes, measure off, and I'll put some details in the next video about that and about how much that costs. But this is, it's been a busy day as a real estate investor. But guess what? We got it taken care of. We got stuff like this accounted for in our numbers. This type of stuff, when it happens, is not catastrophic. Of course it sucks. You know, just the tree work alone is about $5,500, which should be covered by insurance minus the deductible. But that's kind of where we're at today, so fun times. This is real life real estate investing. It's been a rough day. If you wouldn't mind, make my day a little bit better by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. I need something today. Thanks.